Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the display. Then let's scroll down just a little bit again to find the screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest time option, so 30 minutes, and the never option, which means that your device will never black out automatically. You will have to do it manually with the usage of the power button right here. So all we have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and let me choose 5 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.